Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Maintain Stability. It is a two-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, please watch till the end. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We are looking forward to having you as our guests and having a wonderful time. So, are you ready? Let's get busy. So let's stand on this side of the room. So it's a two-wall dance. So I'm going to be here at this wall and this wall. If I stand here, once I turn, you're going to be looking back. So let's dance side by side. Okay, so it's going to start, the dance is going to start with a cross tap. So my weight is on the left. So I cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, tap 2, cross 3, tap 4. So my right heel is up, and I'm going to do a jazz square. Cross, step, and then I'm going to shuffle up. Right, left, right. So I cross over, cross right, step left, and then I'm going to shuffle up. Instead of coming back, I'm going forward. Right, left, right. So it's cross. 1, step 2, shuffle up, 3 and 4. So let's add that. That's a very interesting step. Try to give y'all some dances that will give you your students different skill set. Okay. So cross tap 5, 6, 7, and cross 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, step 6, shuffle 7 and 8. All right, and my weight is on my right, and my left heel is up. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and cross 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, back 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Now I'm going to do a step pivot quarter, step pivot quarter, with my left shoulder come forward. I'm going to do it again, step pivot quarter, making that half turn. This is how we're getting them to that wall, okay? So our second wall. So left foot come forward, step pivot quarter, with the left shoulder come forward, and step pivot quarter. All right? Then I'm going to tap on my left, tap, kick, step left, right. Tap, kick, step left, right. Okay? So I did a light on my left. A lot on my left. I step pivot quarter. I step pivot quarter. I tap on the left and kick on the left. Then I step up, left, right. So let's put that together. All right? So cross. So it's the right. 5. So cross it on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, back 6, shuffle 7 and 8. So that was all on the right. The cross tap, cross, tap, cross, tap, cross, back, shuffle, right, left, right. That was all on the right. Now with the turn, we're going to that left. Step pivot quarter, do it again, step pivot quarter. Now we're not finished with that left. We're going to tap, kick on the left, and then step up, left, right. Okay, so let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, back 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, kick 6, step 7, 8. All right, don't forget, tap, kick, and then step up left, right. Now we're going into a basic. Crossing over on the left. Left over right, right, left, right, and then shuffle 4 times. Left, right, left, right. And this is how we count it. You're going to do it twice. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and tap out on 8. Okay, on that second one, you're going to tap out on 8 on that right because this dance starts over. All right, don't forget that. So put it together. The first basic is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, out 8. Okay, and the dance starts over at this wall. So let's do it at this wall, crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, back 6, shuffle 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, tap 5, kick 6, step up 7, 8, basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, out 8. Now, this is a 32 count dance, but it's packed with different skills, okay? That's why I like this dance. All right, so let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, back 6, shuffle 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, tap 5, kick 6, up 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, out 8, cross 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, back 6, up 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, pivot 3, 4, tap 5, 6, up 7, 8, basic 1 and 2, basic 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it? That's called maintain stability. It is a 2-wall dance. Check it out at the end. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you share this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.